Do you want customers to scan one code and instantly see your specials, order menu, or registration page? With CronySoft QR Generator, you can quickly create QR codes for customer-facing links inside your back office. In this video, we'll go over the QR Generator module inside the CRM section. To begin, go to the CRM, then click QR Generator. Once the QR Generator opens, you will see three main QR options: special items, order menu, and registered customers. Each option generates a customer-facing QR code that can be copied or printed or scanned. You can place these QR codes near the register, on a countersign, on a flyer, or anywhere customers can easily scan them. The first option is special items. This QR code lets customers scan and view a list of special items. When special items is selected, the system shows the store information, the special items QR, and the QR code preview. You have two options here. You can click copy URL to copy the link, or click print to print the QR code. Customers can scan this QR code to open the special items and view the current special items available from your store. The special items that appear through this QR code are connected to the item setup in the back office. If you need to review or update which items can appear online or in the special items list, go to the price book, then open products. From the product list, you can filter items, select items, and open item edit screen. Inside the item edit screen, the specials item is the items that have been added to your specials list with the special pricing. Make sure the item is active and configured properly for customer-facing visibility. Once item information is updated and saved, customers scanning the QR code can view the available item information through the generated link. Next, click the order menu. The order menu is used when you want the customer to scan the QR code and view the store's online order menu. Just like special items, this screen gives you a QR code preview with the option to copy URL or print the QR code. If you click copy URL and open the link, it will take you to the customer-facing order menu page. The orders menu is the products that have been enabled through the edit item, advanced settings, and the show online toggle. That's when the items will appear in the online menu section. This is useful for stores that want to give customers quick access to online ordering from the printed QR code. The third option is registered customer. When customers scan this code, they can register their information through the customer-facing link. This is helpful when you want customers to sign up for loyalty, rewards, SMS promotions, or other customer programs connected to your CRM setup. Like the other QR options, you can use the copy or print QR code. The registration QR is linked to the campaign overview. So what has been created in the campaign overview is what can be shared through the QR code. For each QR option, the process is simple. Select the QR type you want to use, then choose either copy URL or print the QR code. Use copy if you want to share the link digitally, add it to a message, or open it in a browser. Use print if you want a physical QR code that customers can scan inside the store. QR codes are useful because they make customer access quick and simple. Instead of asking customers to type a website or search for a page, they can scan the QR code with their phones and directly access it. You can use these QR codes for special items, online ordering menu, customer registration, loyalty signups, promotional flyers, counter displays, and in-store marketing. This gives customers a faster way to interact with your store. And that's all for the QR Generator module inside CronySoft's back office. I'll catch you guys in our next video.